Right, now morning Trudy.
Morning.
Let's get straight into it, shall we?
Yeah, let's.
Is it Micellar, or Micellar?
It's Micellar.
Okay, so what exactly is micellar water?
It's super clever. It's a cleanser, and a lot of people think it's a freshener or a toner. It's not. It's a cleanser that works with little magnetic oil infusions with surfactants that actually work like magnets, so they attract dirt to themselves and pull it away from the skin, which is why it's so gentle.
Oh, okay. So it's not like a skin freshener or a toner?
No, it's not. It is a cleanser. But the bonus with it is that it is so effective because these little micelles, is what they're called, pull this dirt and oil and grime from your skin. So you don't actually need to use a freshener or a toner. It actually hydrates the skin as well. And you don't need to wash it off. You can use it straight from a cotton ball or a cotton pad and you're done. It's so effective and so quick.
Right, and it gets all your makeup off as well.
It does. It gets stubborn makeup off and oil.
Can you be using it on your eyes?
Yes, definitely. You can use it on your eye area, you can use it everywhere. I mean, what I tend to do is put a little bit in the palms of my hand and press it on my face and then go over it again with a cotton pad or a cotton ball, and like an organic cotton pad's probably the best. And it just pulls all that stubborn makeup, the oil, the grime, which is why it's so brilliant for an oily skin, because oil attracts oil. So the little micelles, which are like an oil, like a little microsphere of oil, they pull that oil from your skin.
Excellent.
So it's really clever, super clever.
It is really clever. I use it to get my eye makeup off all the time.
It's actually been around for hundreds of years too. You know, it was invented by a French chemist to soften the harsh water. So it actually is softening. It's a softening water. So it has been around for a long time, but I guess it's just come back into fashion.
It has,
trends do.
It's only the last couple of years I've seen
yeah,
them in
it has.
shops.
It's really started to take off, and most brands have a Micellar water now.
So who should be using it?
Well, I think anyone, and it's really good for people who are lazy. You know, a lot of women don't like cleansing, but cleansing is really the cornerstone of your routine. And if you've got clean skin, everything else you put onto it can absorb in. So if you're spending $100 on a moisturiser and you don't clean your face, then you're wasting your money because it can't get into your skin. It can't do anything because you've got that layer of grime over the top. So anyone who's lazy, anyone who suffers with breakout or clogged pores or oily skin, anyone with dry skin, you know, because it does hydrate as well. Depending on the formulation that you use, of course, it does hydrate as well. And, you know, it's really good for cleaning makeup brushes because it, like we were talking about last week, the little micelles pull all the grime and dirt out of the makeup brush without compromising the bristles.
Which is something that you do need to do.
Yeah, so it's just a really great product, and it's in all makeup artist kits, models, celebrities. I mean, everyone loves it because it's so easy.
And morning and night, or just one or the other?
You can do both. You know, if you want to use a cream cleanser for that more nourishing feeling at night, you can, and you can follow up with just a cotton pad of the micellar water afterwards, and you can use it whenever you like.
Cool. Well, let's have a look at some of the things you brought in then, shall we?
Well, I've got the latest and greatest. I mean, the first one is from Neutrogena Deep Clean. Now, they have used a triple micelle formulation, which is awesome for anyone who wants a deep clean. So if your skin is very oily or very congested, or you wear a lot of makeup, this is brilliant.
What about for teenagers?
So, yeah, perfect for teenagers.
I'm just going to have a smell of it.
Yeah, really perfect for teenagers. So that one, you just soften a pad, you know, put it over your face, as I've said. Dermatologist tested, oil-free, alcohol-free. I mean, it's a brilliant product for somebody
good one to get.
Definitely for young girls, young guys, you know, who just need that extra clean. It does give you that deep clean with that triple formulation.
Okay.
And gorgeous, really soft and easy, and $18, you know, it's not going to break the bank.
I'm picking that one up for my teenage boys.
Totally.
Okay, this one.
And so I bought in a new one too. This is from Avene. This is their cleanance range, and this again is for somebody who suffers with breakout or oil, but is also sensitive. And this mineral-rich water from Avene, you know, we've talked about Avene before on the show. It's such a staple in anyone's routine if they've got that really sensitive skin that can flare up. It also has an ingredient from coconut oil in it, so it's mattifying. Okay. So if you've got that oily skin and you want that mattifying shot afterwards before you put your makeup on, that's perfect.
Excellent. And what's this one down the end?
And for natural lovers, you know, you can't ignore that. I mean, a lot of women now, that is a no-brainer. They want it. 95% natural, that one. It uses a cypress oil extract, Australian cypress oil extract, and of course the honey from Burt's Bees range. So again, it's nourishing, but it's got that cypress oil in it, so it's actually cleansing. It lifts all that grime away, and it's beautiful. It smells beautiful, and I think that one's about $20, $22. So, you know, you don't have to spend a lot of money on a micellar water. That's the other thing. You can get quite a good brand at quite a good price, and big bottle lasts for ages. You know, it's a great little addition to your routine.
That is perfect. I think my pickup is going to be this one.
Yeah, deep clean. I think so. You know, and even though you're not probably oily, I'm not sure.
I am quite oily.
Yeah, well, it's still gentle enough to use every day, whether you've got oily skin or dry skin.
Great. I'm going to get that one and share it with my children.
Nice.
Thank you so much, Trudy. And for more from Trudy, head to her website, beautyeq.co.nz.